All right, so today at Charlie's Foreign Car, we are doing headliner replacements. So this is a 2014 Cayman. This headliner is normally mounted to the inside roof of the car, and it's just hanging down, right? So it's got a problem. Now, specifically for this headliner, we could not get an exact match. If you look at the whole back, here's the back of it. So it's sound deadening on this side, interior finishing on this side. So what happens, a couple different things. When a headliner starts falling down like this, you can't just remove it and re-glue it, because what's happening is the foam, if you look real close here, there's a foam backing that's applied to this fabric cloth. And the reason why it sags is because the foam backing deteriorates and falls down. If you try to take this off and then re-glue it, what will end up happening is the glue will bleed through the color and you'll just have a big giant mess on your hands. It'll look worse than if you didn't do it. So we can take this off, we can kind of see this void that's in there, and there's a giant air void down in there, right? And what's happened is this foam, you can see right in there, it's actually, so see that foam line right there? So I just peeled this off, but see where it already came off on this edge, that whole liner edge. So the foam fell off, and there's nothing you can do except for put a new piece of material on with foam. So we were going to do that on this car, but we could not find the correct thickness and the correct texture and the correct color. Porsche doesn't make it, nobody makes it, nobody had it, so we looked high and low. So what we ended up doing, the customer wanted to put a brand new headliner in the car. So that's off, that's going in the trash. And now this car has a brand new headliner inside there. So that's all, it's done, factory Porsche. It looks like it came right off the showroom floor. This headliner does not come out the rear trunk opening. It comes out the passenger door. If you're trying to do this yourself, it's kind of tricky. Another quick tip, the left front has fiber optic cables running through it, through each A-pillar. So don't go in there with a screwdriver and start prying. You will break fiber optic cables. You don't want to try to rewire that. And don't try to bend it in half and pull it out the back. That won't work. You got to take all the seats down and take the seats as far down as you can, forward and back. And then the whole assembly comes out this door on this side. It looks like brand new inside here. So when you get a new headliner rewrapped, what they're doing is they're pulling all this old material off, and then they're just re-gluing right back onto here. So if you guys need a new headliner, give us a call.